Right now the internet is hot because of this particular application that was released just a few weeks ago. And if you've been on this online space, you don't know about this application, you are already missing a lot. Okay, one day ago CBC talks about it. They said here TikTok creators flock to Upscrow after US took over. There are a lot of controversies online about this particular application which is called Upscrolled, but some people don't really understand it. So I've already tried this application out, I've created my account, I've tried to post on the platforms, and I've already observed how the platform works. So I'm here to share my own experience with you and also guide you on how this particular application works, how you can actually get started, and what you need to do for this to work for you. Alright, so in this very video we're going to be breaking this into simple steps. Alright, first step, I'm going to be showing you what Upscrow is all about, and secondly I'm going to be showing you what makes Upscrow different from other social media platforms, and thirdly I'm going to be showing you why Upscrow is trending right now, and also I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get started, create your account, and also launch your Upscrow profile the right way. And the next step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually grow strategically on this very platform which is Upscrow, the best niches that works right now on this very platform, some monetization strategy, and also some traffic strategies that you can actually utilize on this very platform. And the last but not the least step, I'm going to be showing you the limitation and also the realistic expectations from this very application. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it right now. If you go to your browser and you search for Upscrow, like I said right here, you're going to see right here, this is the website upscrolled.com. But wait, before you end this video to go ahead and register on this very platform, make sure you watch this video to the very end, because there are some things you need to do for this particular application to actually work for you and not get you banned. All right, this is the home page. This is what they said here, time to scroll differently. All right, and if you zoom this a little bit, you're going to see this is what they said: shadow bound elsewhere. That's a question, not here. Upscrow is a social media platform where every voice gets equal power. All right, no shadow bans, no algorithm games, no pay to play favorism, just authentic connection where your content reaches the people who matters the most. All right, which means this platform claims that you are not going to be shadowed banned, that there's no algorithm game, which means in other platforms when you create your account newly, remember you have 0 followers, you're not going to get rich when you post. When you make a post, nobody sees it, nobody likes it, nobody views it. All right, but on this very platform which is Upscrow, they claim that when you make a post on this very platform, that you can actually get the right reach you need for your post. Okay, the same way people that are having 10k followers, 100k followers on this platform are also getting. Okay, so I'm going to be breaking this down in simple steps. All right, Upscrow is a social media platform which was launched in 2025. Okay, let me just say a few weeks ago. All right, it's a hybrid platform which accepts microblogging, which is text content, short form videos, image content. This is just like you having Twitter and TikTok in the same platform. All right, but for other platforms, other social media platforms, they have heavy algorithms. All right, favors big accounts, and also they exercise pay to play reach. New creators actually get buried. Okay, but on this very platform which is Upscrow, they are claiming that when you create your account on this very platform, no shadow banning, no algorithm game, algorithm suppression, equal visibility and reach, and lots more. All right, so I'm going to be showing you my own account that I created while testing this particular application out. Okay, though I'm not really consistent on the platform, I just decided to test it out, to explore it and know how it works before coming here to make video. I don't talk about platform I've not really tried. Okay, that's how we do it here. All right, why is Upscrow trending right now? Okay, so the question was answered in the beginning of this very video. Okay, so like I told you here, this is what CBT said: TikTok creators flock to Upscrow after US takeover. All right, but right now the reason why people are coming to this very platform which is Upscrow is because creators are losing reach, okay, across major platforms. The first week that this particular application was launched, they got over 500k download. Okay, another thing that they claim that made the platform to go viral is because of the TikTok acquisition controversy going on online right now. And also social media users right now are looking for alternative social media platform that they can actually get reach and also sell their product, get traffic to their blog, get traffic to their website, and all of that. Okay, so right now this is the part we're going to simply be picking our mobile phone. All right, this particular application only works on mobile. There's no signing up button right here on the website, so you have to simply go ahead and download the app either on Play Store or App Store. All right, the first thing you need to do is simply head over to your App Store. Okay, so this is my mobile phone right now. I'm on the mobile phone, so the next thing you need to do, right, go to the Play Store. When you head over to Play Store, click on the search button, then you're going to simply search for Upscrolled. You can see right here, this is Upscrolled. Just click on the install button. Remember, I've already installed the application, that's why it's showing me open. All right, install your own. So remember I told you they once had 500k, but right now 1 million plus. All right, so if you're not able to download the application, or if you're not able to register your account or create your account, just let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to simply log out from this very section right now. Okay, so if you click on this logout button, I'm going to simply log out, then then create a new account. Okay, so this is where you are. So for you to create your account on this very platform, you need to first of all download the app on store, then register with your email. Okay, if you click on this create an account, you click on this create an account. This is just the only way you can register. Okay, so I'm going to simply register a new account, then click on this. I'm going to add my name. You can add any date of birth of your choice. So once I add that, then I have to select next button. Then I have to add my password. Okay, so you need to add your password. So this is going to simply be out of camera. But remember, your password should have some characters in it. Okay, then click on the next button, and they're going to simply send you a verification code 573. Okay, then click on the verify button, then click on the sign up button. You can show here we've already created our accounts on this Upscrolled. Okay, let's go ahead and follow this guy right now. Yes, follow him, then follow this guy. All right, so once I refresh this, you're going to simply start seeing their content. You can see right here we've already started seeing their content, and I'm going to simply see more other people that are related to that. And this is what they said here. Somebody have already started following me. You can see someone followed me right now, and the next you have to do is to optimize your profile. Okay, so how do you now optimize your profile? All right, so I'm going to simply log out right now and use the other account to show you. Okay, so I'm logged into the new account. This particular account, I've not really started doing anything. This is basically how you can actually optimize your profile. All you need to do is simply add your profile image, and also you add a banner image right here. Then make sure you add your profile name, you add your bio right here. You can see inside your bio you can add your content or your website link. You could be your blog, you get more traffic to your blog website as well. Okay, by the time you make more posts, more dedicated posts on this video platform, you're going to simply start getting more tractions to your page. Okay, now how do you actually grow strategically on this video platform? So what you need to do is simply make sure your name is consistent. All right, you can add what you do, who you help. Okay, so if you have a service you offer, you can add that. You can add clear benefit of your followers. So adding your website is going to simply give you more traffic to your blog website. So what are the content formula that works right now on this video platform? Are the text, image, and short videos. All right, so if you come over to the application, for you to make a post, if you click on the plus button here, this is the plus button, you can actually see the text section, photo, and video. Right, so most of you might be asking, what am I going to be posting? What am I going to be posting on the platform for me to start getting engagement? Okay, for me, I use my own niche. The best niche right now are the alternative news and commentary. Okay, so for you to know the niches that are working right now, just come over to the home page. This is search button here. If you click on the search button, you're going to see right here there are a lot of niches right here. All of these things that says, or this section that says topic, are just niches. All right, so you can see right here under the topic they have the sports, they have the news, politics, film, tech, music, you have gaming, food, health, travel, they have money, fashion, culture, science, anime, law. Okay, so there are a lot of niches right here you can actually choose. Right, so all of these things are basically categorized into alternative news, commentary, side hustle, tech and AI tools. You can make videos, you can make content about that, personal development, mindset, design, a lot more. Quickly make sure that you publish consistently, all right, with the niche you are following. Okay, so that's basically how this thing works. The next step, we're going to be talking about the monetization and traffic strategy. Okay, this very platform, they don't have inbuilt monetization right now, just like Facebook or any other platform, but there are actual ways you can actually monetize your own content and also your time on this very platform. Okay, number one strategy is to actually send traffic from this very platform to your own platform. Right, from this very platform, which is Upscrow, they can click on the link and go to your website store. Right, and when they make a purchase, you've already monetized your audience on Upscrow. All right, so there's no two ways about that. Okay, and also you can actually use that to grab some leads. Okay, another strategy is actually use this platform for affiliate marketing. All right, the third strategy to get monetized on this very platform is to offer your services and product. Okay, number four strategy is to actually turn this particular platform to your own personal brand. Okay, the last but not the least step, we're going to be talking about the limitation. This platform is still in the development stage. Okay, I know they're working on that. Another thing you have to know about this platform is that there's no monetization right now on the platform. There's no inbuilt monetization. Also have small audience compared to other bigger social media platform. Okay, so you can't just compare a social media platform that's been for ages to a social media platform that was just launched a few weeks ago. Okay, we don't really know the future of this video platform, but as it's going, this platform actually have a good future. I don't really know what you think. If you tried this already, I want you to tell us your experience on the comment section so that other people can actually learn. So see you in the next video.